although they're always doing a good job, it's all ad hoc at saka yung iba-ibang ahensya like say DSWD, they do a good job, but they have a full-time job sa mga indigents at saka marginalized sa society. And the other thing is napakagaling na natin sa relief, no, as long as we have the access to the area, no. Pero mahina tayo sa rehabilitation. So ang nangyayari as soon as for example napakalaking sunog dito sa Manila, but nangyari to sa Mindanao, so attention natin ay nasa Mindanao, which is right and good, but dapat may mag-take over ng grupo para yung rehabilitation dun sa mga nasunugan. So let's admit to ourselves that we will have what's the right number? 12 to 15 storms a year. We have volcanoes that are active. Then earthquakes or linugs are organic, if I can use that word, to our area in the world, no? So we really have to do better in not only the response and relief, but in the rehabilitation. I'd like to let you know where we are today. So all sides were saying na sana hindi maipit yung Senado. So early this morning or late last night, I sent a letter to our legitimate Secretary of the Senate. Legitimate because if you follow the rules, hindi siya pwedeng tanggalin kung walang 13 at hindi pwedeng palitan kung wala rin 13. So I'll make that clear, ha? Senate President Pro Temp, Senate President, Secretary of the Senate, o SAA, kailangan niyan 13 ang botong ilagay, 13 ang boto pag tinanggal. Hindi nila sinunod yan. So meaning, hindi legitimate si Attorney Bantug, no? So having said that, ayaw namin maipit yung mga empleyado. So I sent him a letter to talk with Attorney Bantug and nag-offer kami kung gusto ni Senator Win, pareho na lang kami pipirma kahit walang designation. So I think the letter was delivered mga 8 a.m., a little bit past 8. Ang sagot nila noong 12 o'clock is that hindi na siya secretary at mag-turnover na lang. So I really want to avoid sa dami ng problema ng ating bansa that we have to write land bank, maipit yung sweldo ng mga empleyado and everything. And I'll never bend the law, nor will I bend the Constitution